Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will review what we learned this week. You will need a pencil and a notebook, or the free download page available in the comments. Let's go. Pajamas. What are these? These are pajamas. T-shirt. What's this? This is a t-shirt. Shorts. What are these? These are shorts. Sandals. What are these? These are sandals. M. Mouse. M says mouse. What do you pack for vacation? I pack pajamas. I pack a t-shirt. I pack shorts. I pack sandals. My English. Suitcase. What's this? This is a suitcase. Pajamas. What are these? These are pajamas. Pajamas. T-shirt. What's this? This is a t-shirt. Shorts. What are these? These are shorts. Sandals. Sandals. What are these? These are sandals. Mouse. M says mouse. M says mouse. Mouse. M. What letter is it? It is letter M. M says mouse. M says mouse. M says mm, mouse. What do you pack? I pack pajamas. I pack pajamas. Pajamas. I pack a t-shirt. I pack a t-shirt. T-shirt. I pack shorts. Shorts. What do you pack? I pack shorts. Sandals. I pack sandals. What do you pack? I pack sandals. Sandals. Thanks for learning today. Use the notebook page to practice a little English each day. Like, follow, and share to get the latest. Help your child send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you next week.